students, we have a converging lens here, and a converging lens is also called convex lens. So here we have a convex lens, here we have a stand where our measurements are calibrated, already done, and this needle is the object needle, and we have placed the object needle in front of the lens. Now we are finding the image, where the image will be formed of this object needle. And do you know the convex lens, if the object needle is placed between F and 2F, where is the image formed? Beyond?